Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the back exercises of the lesson number 1. It is the Bell of Atre. Now in this we will discuss page 16. Now in 16 page you have some words, some pictures on a page, and there is one word written ministers. Can you see the word ministers? How many words can you make out of the letters in the word ministers? Here are some pictures, clues for you. Now there are pictures given. You have to make words out of the word ministers. Now the first word is written stir. Stir means hilana. Stir means chammach ko ghumana. So stir has been made through ministers. You can check STIR. All these 4 letters are there in ministers. Similarly for B, there is a word, there is a flower. Now you have to make a word out of the flower. What word can you make to give a meaning of this picture? Flower. Then there is a, if I give you the clue, it is a ghosla. Now what is ghosla? What is the English of ghosla? You all know, and that word is there in ministers. Then there is a clock showing what? Clock shows what? I will not tell you. You have to tell me. Clock shows. The word is there in ministers. Then you have then there is another word which you can guess and make. Then there is a dustbin. Now just see, is there a word dustbin there or any other word which can come in this picture? So just imagine and just try to find out the word from this minister word and fill up all these pictures. Now the next is professional people. Choose words from the box to complete the speech bubbles. One has been done for you. I correct people who do something wrong. I am a if somebody does something wrong, who takes care of this? It is a judge. So every night I look at the moon, the planets and the stars. I am an, now the box may, it is astronomer. I make statues. I am a, who makes statues? A sculptor. Then if a pipe or a tap leaks, call me. I am a plumber. It's not plumber, it is plumber. B is silent in plumber. We perform in a circus. We are, who we are? We are acrobats. Acrobats कौन होते हैं? जो उलट बाजियां करते हैं, जो वन साइकिल पे 4 लोग एक साथ, they are showing their show. They are acrobats. जो हवा में उलट बाजियां खाते हैं, they are all acrobats. I collect money at a store or supermarket. I am a cashier because I collect cash. We play in a band. We are musicians. जो music करे वो musicians. So all these words you have to write in your fill up of this professional people. Then it comes grammar time. Nouns, concrete and abstract. Nouns are of 2 types. We've already done a lot of worksheets of nouns and they are of 2 types. One is concrete and the other is abstract. Now read these sentences. King John came to a small town called Atre. The soldier had an old horse. A great bell shall hang here. The words king, John, town, Atre, soldier, horse and bell are nouns. They name people, places, animals and things. So names of people, places, animals and things are called naming words or nouns. Ideas and qualities are also nouns. We have done it in this lesson that even ideas and qualities which are not seen, which cannot be heard, which cannot be smelled, they are all abstract nouns. Now read these sentences. If you read these sentences, there are a lot of abstract noun in these sentences like goodness, achai, wisdom, buddhimata, then permission, ijazat, bravery, bahaduri and amazement, मतलब खुशी. So ये सब words abstract nouns हैं. ये ना हम सुन सकते हैं, ना देख सकते हैं, ना टच कर सकते हैं, ना इन्हें सिर्फ हम क्या कर सकते हैं? फील कर सकते हैं. So the words goodness, wisdom, permission, bravery and amazement are all nouns, they show the qualities and feelings. Now this page, concrete nouns you have already done, abstract nouns you have already done. There is a table, very interesting table is given, जिसमें खूब सारे words लिखे हैं. Cake है, you can see, right है. Hear, no. Smell, yes. Touch, yes. And concrete noun है या abstract noun है, आपको लिखना है. Similarly, rain. Rain you can see, you can hear, you can taste, yes, you can touch. So it is a concrete noun. Fear, डर. बताइए, ये सी है, क्या हम hear कर सकते हैं fear को? क्या हम smell कर सकते हैं, taste कर सकते हैं fear को, या touch कर सकते हैं? नहीं. तो ये सब क्रॉस होगा और abstract noun है. So this way you have to fill up this chart. This is a very interesting game on page 18. Then it comes, choose abstract nouns from the box to match the concrete nouns. This is at the next page, but before I start with the next page, you can see more words like joy, खुशी, abstract noun है. Mango, concrete noun है. Idea, कैसा noun है? It's an abstract or concrete? Abstract noun है. Crayons, abstract है कि concrete है? Concrete है. So because you can see a crayon, you can touch the crayon, you can play with the crayon, you can color the picture. So this is a concrete noun. Now in this page 19, it's a very interesting web. Web क्या होता है? Web is a collection of few words written in a web, in a jal. It's a kind of a web. Now in this web, there are a lot of words written, and they are all abstract nouns. And there are 3 pictures given at the bottom of the web. One is a pile of books. Pile is a collective noun. You know collective noun? Pile of books means किताबों का ढेर. And one is there is an engine. They are firemen. They are extinguishing. That is, they are putting off the fire from a place. And then there is a home sweet home. Now these 3 pictures signifies lot of abstract nouns which is given in the web. Suppose the book signifies what? Wisdom. Book से क्या आती है? बुद्धि आती है. आप बुद्धिमान बनते हो, आप बुक्स पढ़ रहे हो घर में, बुद्धिमान बनोगे या नहीं बनोगे? बनोगे. तो विजडम बुक से रिलेटेड है. और बुक से क्या मिलता है आपको? यू कैन फाइंड आउट इंफॉर्मेशन, एजुकेशन, नॉलेज. अच्छा, और फायर इंजन से क्या सिग्निफाई करता है? अगर जो लोग आग बुझा रहे हैं, दे आर एक्सटिंग्विशिंग फायर, सो दे आर ब्रेव. ब्रेवरी है ना, बहादुरी है. देन इट इज करेज, करेजियस है वो. देन डेंजर को वो ठीक कर रहे हैं. एंड देन स्ट्रेंथ, दे आर वेरी पावरफुल पीपल, दे हैव स्ट्रेंथ टू डू दैट. सो दीज आर ऑल abstract noun which signifies this picture. Then there is home sweet home. अब home में what things do you feel and what type of abstract nouns you feel that we should take care of? It can be love, safety, happiness, friendship, peace, anything. So you have to fill these boxes with the abstract nouns by seeing these pictures. And last but not the least, this is your classwork, which you have to do it in your English classwork copies. Use any 5 abstract nouns from the box in sentence of your own. इनमें से कोई भी 5 आप nouns लीजिए, abstract noun, और उसके sentences बनाइए. जैसे कि imagination. My friend has a great imagination. He can draw very good pictures. Bravery or opportunity. I got an opportunity to work with my friend. Relaxation. This exercise gives me relaxation.